Welcome to the Mark 10 WT3 201M Wire Crimp Pull Tester. The WT3 201M tests the strength of wire crimps for applications up to 200 pounds or 1 kilonewton of force. The slotted terminal fixture and optional ring terminal fixture accommodate a wide range of wire diameters and styles. For unique applications, an optional machinable blank fixture is available. Select the test speed and return speed in inches or millimeters per minute. The test can automatically start when the sample is loaded. Serrated cams grip the loose end of the wire, and the tester begins to pull until the sample breaks, end of travel is reached, or a programmed load is reached. Available load holding function can maintain a specified force for a specified time period to accommodate standards such as UL 486 A and B. At the end of the test, the tester can reverse at high speed back to the home position. The display shows real-time or peak force. Select from 5 units of measurement. Pass and fail limits help identify rejects. Data points may be saved with available date and timestamp. The peak force can be automatically saved and output upon sample break. Data can also be output continuously or manually, and several output types are available. A USB cable is included. Use the included MeasureLite software to collect data and export to Excel. The more advanced measure gauge software graphs data, calculates statistics, generates a report, and performs other functions. To accommodate a wide range of wire sizes and test methods, up to 500 profiles may be saved, and the menu is password protected to prevent unauthorized changes. The WT3 201M can be custom configured to your needs and budget through its unique function configuration platform. Functions not originally ordered can be enabled in the field by inputting an activation code. All functions are temporarily enabled for a 160-hour demo period. For more information, please visit us at mark10.com.